Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Solana. If we're looking across the markets, you guys can see we're starting to see some mild green across the board, especially over the last 24 hours in altcoins. And, we will definitely take that. But we're here for the price analysis on Solana, so let's get right into it. If we're looking at the price of Solana right now, it is currently trading at $23.22. We're up about 0.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at above $9.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is also currently sitting at $413 million. Now let's get right into the analysis and see what's happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, you guys can see it is currently trading at $23.20, and we're starting to see a little bit of upwards trend forming, which I talked about in my previous update, and I'm not surprised as to what we're seeing happening right now. But I'm going to share something very interesting with you guys right now, which is really important. If you are a Solana holder, you want to keep this factor in mind. So you guys can see, let's go back a few days ago. I did miss 2 days of uploads. I've just wanted to take a break, so I appreciate everyone asking where I was, and I might take a 1 or 2 days break in between. So if you guys don't see an update, that means I am taking a little bit of a break. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, so let's go back to the wick, the manipulation that occurred back on the 26th. Let's say you had some buy orders placed in around here. Let's say you picked it up at 21 bucks. So if you picked it up at $21, you're already up about 10% in a matter of a week, and that is exactly what we want to be seeing happening, and which I mentioned to you guys could be happening for the price of Solana, and that exactly has happened. But now you guys can see we're starting to see a little bit of resistance coming on our end. You can see we got stopped out at that $23.89, strong level of resistance. If we break out of here, guys, we are going back to the April 19th or an April 17th highs, which was at $26. So maybe even after I upload this video or earlier next week, we could see Solana start going back to that spot, and that's a move of about 12%, and that's definitely the next target that I'd be looking at. So now if we look at the bigger picture, so that would put the price of Solana back to that April high, but that still does not put us at a yearly high. So in order for us to break out a yearly high, that is still a move of about, if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of about 17%. And what I'm seeing right now happen with BTC Dominance is BTC Dominance is starting to hit yearly highs, which means momentum is still on Bitcoin's side. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin is once again, holding above that level of support, which is $28,700 mark, and we're actually staying above here, potentially could even hit a new yearly high. So still majority of the momentum is still on Bitcoin's side, but despite that fact, we're seeing Solana up about 0.4% in BTC comparative. We could make that statement that it's because of a little bit of a retracement in BTC Dominance. Yes, that could be a valid statement to make, but what I'm seeing right now happen within the price of Solana is exactly what we want to be seeing happening. Next target, of course, is to break above that $26 mark, and possibly earlier next month hit a new yearly high, because if we hit a new yearly high, that's going to be the driving force for the price of Solana to really start heading back to that $40 mark, guys. The clock is ticking. I know a lot of people are losing their patience, but if you don't have any patience in the cryptocurrency markets, I'm going to be straight up to you, as I always am. Cryptocurrency is not for you. I always want you guys to keep in mind is the strength. If you want to examine the strength of Solana, you can see since the year has started, we have really been consolidating within this range, and that is more than bullish and than a lot of people expect. And also remember, if we go on staking rewards, the top 3 most staked cryptocurrency is still Solana, with almost 73% of its circulation supply that is staked right now. And if that is not bullish, I don't know what is. But what I'm liking right now is that we are forming an upwards trend and facing a little bit of a resistance, but I would not be surprised for us to actually go back above that and start hitting new yearly highs. So this is the current analysis on Solana. If anything were to change, of course, we'll keep you guys updated. I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.